All right, I got to show you something diabolical that they're doing. And if you don't think they're targeting specific drivers, I don't know. This looks a little sus to me. I'm sitting in my house, as always, and a little surge pops up, but I zoom in on it, and I'm like, they did it again. They literally, if you notice, I'm zoomed in here, they cut off my house from the surge. Like, they literally drew the line directly next door. But I know that if I actually walk out to my car, I will get a little bit of a surge. So let me head outside for a second, and I'm just going to prove this to you. I'm going to walk to my car. Let me just grab my coffee here. I drink coffee 24/7. I apologize. All right. Let's head outside. Watch the bottom of the screen. You're going to see, as soon as I get near my car, they just want me to leave my house. I just got to leave my house, and I get to surge. Bingo. There it is. 275. The top surge over here right now is 325. So if I drive like down like a couple of blocks away from my house, I get the bigger one. It's usually a lot higher, but I happen to see this, and I said, let me show you guys. This is pretty funny.